Hey guys, give us a few minutes and um we will be online soon. We just gotta get through everything. So give us a couple minutes, all right? Thank you.
What up? What up? Ma'am?
Hello. All right. So guys, we're back. We haven't done anything all this week for a review. So we apologize for that, but um I was recommended by someone. Uh am I familiar to do a quick review, and I suggested it to Miss Munoz here, and she concurred um if I spoke. So I said, all right. So we're gonna try to do this quick and sweet, and we'll see how it goes. Today was a good day. Um, so today, um, we did a quick review early, and we noticed that Dollar Tree had been moving around and had did a crazy jump up. Even though uh what is this for earnings? This is weird. I thought the earnings were negative. Not Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Didn't they have a miss today?
I thought so too.
Yeah, I think this is wrong. I thought for sure it was a miss because I looked at it this morning. Anyway, uh, this is weird. Because this morning it was a miss. Let me just do this real quick. Maybe the numbers changed. I don't know, but this morning this was green, a green indicator. I don't know what happened here. It was a miss, and it had come up, and I said, "Oh, this is gonna go down." So as you can see, I'm all over the place trading this thing, and let's just do this. So I got in around, I think it was 79.50, and then I got out early, um, and then I shorted again, I think, when it got up here. And then I think I got another short somewhere around here. Um, I forget what's my average price. I think it was 79.50 again. But I have another short that I'm negative in now. And so I'm just gonna hold on to it basically until tomorrow and see how it goes. But this was a big trade for me today. Dollar General, which I'm gonna call Dollar Tree several times while I'm talking about it. Also, I was trading this a good amount in VDA. Let's see how we did. I could have tried to get out, but it's I missed it here. I didn't have my order in when it went to 117, which is why I want to get out at. Now I think it's too late. I don't think they're gonna let me out. So I'm gonna change my order back to 117 You know what? Let me just do a little bit more. Let me be greedy. I didn't have to hold this. I could have got out. It hit these areas, but I didn't. But it did come back up, and I'm okay with holding this because I feel this will come up tomorrow. So with this thing, I was going long all the way on this. And as you can see, I bought in at the very bottom. And I kind of averaged in or whatever, came back up. And then several other times I bought it again. Waited till it came back up. um, no, I shorted it too. Um, yeah, because I went long and I did a short here. These were shorts. And then it went to VWAP and I got out. And here, I did do, I thought I did a long two here, but it doesn't show where I got out anywhere. So maybe I bought this long and I just kept it. But why wouldn't I have got out here? Which it doesn't make any sense. So yeah, it looks like I bought this long and I just missed this thing here and kept it. Um, so anyway, I'll probably get out tomorrow. But you know, made over 2 G's here doing this, and these were two solid trades for me today. The market overall, Intel, there was news for Intel. You guys can look up to the news. There was a couple things going on. I think they had earnings too, right, Elisa? Um,
I
Dollar.
don't think they had earnings.
Okay. What was the two news? There was something that they were doing.
They changed the CEO.
Yes, and they brought up some new software program or something like that. Um, so this was good news. Anyway, if you really liked Intel, you probably would have been in it already. Probably at a better price. Dollar Tree, this was probably all sympathy. Um, with I don't know why it would this be related to Dollar General, but it definitely didn't move like Dollar General. So they're the same company? No, 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 they're not. Family Dollar is with Dollar Tree. So this is a play because Dollar General did bad. Dollar Tree is gonna do better. Um, so yeah, so if you wanted to get into Dollar Tree, and I didn't even think about that with Dollar General, it would have been a good play to go up. And it was over 7%. Gold did well. Oh, EBC, which is weird because it's lower now. So EBC must have came down the last few days when we weren't reviewing. Yeah. Man, it came down like rain. So the last several days, EBC has been coming down like crazy. Probably everything that's going on with tariffs and stuff like that. That's sad because it did have good earnings and it had been doing very well. So, um, next time this level here, this may be support. This is a level we talked about. Um, so next time this may be support, and next time it can go out above 20. If it gets down to the 15, you may consider buying. Um, Boeing. Finally, Elisa. Boeing. Man, 150. Man.
Mhm. Yeah, it got actually lower than that, 137. But yeah.
Do you think it's gonna keep coming down? I do. I think it's gonna keep coming down. It should.
Can you zoom can you put it on weekly real quick? I just want to see.
It's still that same level, the 125-ish.
Yep, yep, that's it.
So,
It's gonna come down.
so yeah, so that's something to look forward to, people. Um, and that's what we're looking at for this caca to be around this area. And yeah, let's just let it come. All-time lows. Um, NVDA. I think we all think this is heading up. Um, this has been one that's been going against the grain. It did do a dump after earnings, but earnings were good, and so it came down anyway. It got past the the what we will call the floor. Um, so let's just see if it comes up on its own or if it continues to go down. But I do foresee it at least coming up somewhat. Um, yeah. What's funny? This is at, huh? It's at the ceiling here. It's still in the ceiling level on the weekly. Huh? So it could continue to come down. Yeah, it could continue to come down, Miss Munoz. Hmm.
Can we look at it again on the daily? Zoom in, please. I need another tomorrow will be decisive. If it's green tomorrow and it's above the red today that was from today, I think it's gonna continue to go up.
Yeah. This. Yeah. All right. All right. I just don't like that. I guess you could say this is an area where it could bounce back up. It hasn't really gotten, it didn't get down here. It hasn't really gone anywhere. But I don't like that this blue line is looking like it's about to turn, but it hasn't turned yet. So maybe it'll come up before it goes back. And the earnings are getting to me. You're right that the earnings were good. Ford, who cares? UPS, Bank of America. Bank of America, it's doing a similar thing. It came down too with EBC. It dropped harder a little bit, really. It's down to another zone here. And who knows if it will keep going or not, but we really haven't been focusing on the banks anyway. There's other fish to fry or fish to catch. We have bigger and better things. I did like this level, this 107 level, 108 that it's been bouncing around. Um, Miss Munoz, let's put this on the notes for a come up. I think we should take advantage of this. This is a good price right here.
All right, hold on a second.
This is a nice come up. I know it did cross the blue line here, but we are going into the good months. We have this level here. It's I like it. I still like it. Even though I know we can get down to 100, but I like this come up. I don't like the 100 crossing over the 200, but I like the fact that we're moving into warmer months, and I just like the price coming up. We can look at it in the morning with better eyes, a clear head. Okay, someone should be very happy here. This has come down like a sieve, and it's just wilding out. Um, so the goal is to get to this 487 area, and that's what we're waiting for. Or that's what someone's waiting for. Um,
Yes, ma'am.
Mickey D's. I just want to see the arch on this. They made this into a Mickey D arch here. Okay. So one, two. We are due to come down. Man, it went up cray cray. But we should be coming down. So, but you have to have the cojones to do it. um,
A
excuse
285 price range will be perfect for McDonald's.
Walmart. Yeah. It was at 100. Now look where we're at. I knew
That's
this
why
thing was gonna come down.
I had told folks just wait for it to come down,
Yeah,
get to 80, and that's all you have to do.
yeah.
Just wait.
I'm waiting for 60 myself, but hey.
80. If
I'm
it
gonna
goes
be cheap
below,
with Walmart because Walmart it doesn't move the way I like it, so I want to be
can you
cheap.
go? Can you go on a weekly,
All right.
please? We're yeah, 66, Leanna. You're absolutely right. Uh 66 and 56. That those are the two. If it bounces up 66, you should get it even below 60. So 56 is the goal here. That's the price range. Let's put an order at 56, folks. Just I'm telling you
I'm
now,
happy if it gets to 60, I'll take it there
66
because this is before the split. This is after the split right here.
between 56 and 66, folks. You should put your order in now. Just let it hit there. Set it and forget it. You don't have to do anything but just check it back in 3 months after this price range. Leanna's absolutely right. 60 is great. But if it does bounce off 66, I would still get it and average in at 60 just to watch it.
All
This,
right.
this is those things where you don't give a damn about trading it at a daily, but you should think about it long term.
Okay, so here we're gonna see if we get down to this 340 level. It's slowly trying to come down. The market wants to be hot, believe it or not, but because of tariffs and stuff like that, it's pushing it down. I almost think Trump is pushing us into a recession on purpose, just so it can.
Someone in this household has a theory. I will discuss it with you later
All
regarding.
right. Yes, I would like to hear this theory. So I don't know if we're just trying to be pushed down into recession just so we can get out quickly. Favorite rotate alert right here. Um, we could put on a nose, but I'm always cheering for Nikete, aka Nike. um, this is the level today.
I got some shares of this as well. I totally agree
We
with
bought
that.
in at 72. Have another order at 71 now. And I'm just watching this like a hawk. If it starts to come up, I'm gonna jump in and I'm waiting for it to come back down here. If it gets to like freaking 69, man. So I'm waiting on this. I'm watching it, and it is one of my favorite rotates. So I'm a big on buying. Um Campbell's, all of that. We'll skip that. So let's just go to the let's see, American Airlines. Just curious to see. Ooh, oh, whoa. What do you think? How low can you go?
Nine. No, this is a good price. But the things are inverted, so you have to kind of watch this like a hawk as
What do
well.
you mean inverted? Explain.
The averages now are now inverted.
I don't know. I don't understand why the average.
The 100 is over the 200.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. I'm
You
sorry. I don't know why I was being a dumbbell.
no need to apologize. I'm dumb as well. I say this is a determinant. It's going to continue going down because there's no sign right here.
But this is the level, though.
So hold on, let me look at it. It's still red all the way until I see. No,
I think this is it, Elisa.
I disagree. I need a little bit more evidence of.
Yes, I know it could bounce around at this level, but you think it's going below this like significantly?
I I think it's a definitely like price point to get it right now. However, I wouldn't get a lot of shares. I will need a little bit of a evidence that you need a green candle, at least on a day with a hammer going up.
Oh, I see what you. Okay, okay.
So the answer to your question is yes, it could go a little bit lower once we get the evidence that this is going to be turning around. But definitely, this is something that you have to kind of watch every single day if you want to get it at $9.
And because I'm cray cray, I am willing to buy in early because I'm just crazy.
Um, the price is not dissatisfactory; it's very good. I would just create evidence. Maybe just don't go cray cray. Don't get 1,000 shares, but get something like 100, and then that's very good. And then if it goes down to 8, get 300 or 400.
It got to 1047.
Mm-hmm.
If it tanks in the morning, I'm gonna be buying it. All right, so that's that. And man, I'm glad we looked at that. That's a good one. We can put that on the notes too.
Mm-hmm.
This kind of went down. Yeah, so you say 180, right? That's when you want to buy or look at buying. Consider it 180. I don't want to consider it now. Uh, this thing didn't even really move today. This went down like a sieve. Ah, so why are they saying that this was? Oh yeah, it is a down. They nearly 2%. So Target is still doing terrible. Hmm. The famous Tesla. Yeah.
As,
Yeah.
predict- as predicted by someone called Miss Green, she said this thing would go cray cray up. or cray down. And that's what it's been doing.
Man, 3% from Insana.
Yeah, I made money on that.
Jeez. Huh. Um, Consider looking at it at 200, but if we still keep with the tariff stuff, this could drop to the 180 level, but we gotta watch and see. Look at this. Okay. Slowly but surely, haven't been paying attention. It's been a sly come down. But look, that's over what? $100, $130. It's been a slow come down. My 4%, almost 4% Home Depot, over for Dick's. This was another strong one. It's been coming down. So everything's been making a slow come down. Roku coin. Look at your favorite rotate. Ooh. Let's look at this kava kava. Huh. We don't have any areas to buy here. The only area you can start with is 50. That's the only thing you can go with, which is basically near IPO. I don't want to put this level yet because it just, yeah, let's see if it comes back to 50. It will be a good buy, but it did miss earnings. So it probably is. Man, it made money, but not like people thought. This may be interesting. We may be able to get a good buy here at a good price. We could do cover. And then what used to be our favorite rotate, but we couldn't stick with it. Man, look at just February to now. 97, it was 100. And now it's basically $45. Within a span of not even, what is this, 1 month? $45. I think we're in a downturn now. Yeah, that tells you everything. So maybe all this stuff with Nike, maybe you're right about Nike, Munoz. I can't help it. I like that 70. So yeah, that's that. That's all I can say. I have nothing else. Um, we may be forced to go into a downturn, guys. So watch out, be careful. Don't try to hold things too much. Um, the bottom could fall out any day now, or we could come back up and then it could fall out a week from now, a month from now. So just be careful and watch yourself. Anything, Munoz? Like and subscribe also. That's it, guys.
Um, for the notes, we got XOM, Nikete, but be careful now. American Airlines, Kava, and be careful. That's basically it.
All right, and we can review this in the morning too with better eyes.
Yes, ma'am.
Subscribe, guys. Thank you, guys. Peace. We wanted to have one review for you guys this week. Sorry, we've kind of been a little bit lazy, but you guys already know the week's been just rolling down slowly. All right, talk to you later. Peace out.